get into these new build scenarios, the clients will come to us before they even have designs and say, hey, I need quotes on equipment. What are we gonna, what are our options for this? What are our options for that? And again, it all ties back to the actual design to know what's actually gonna be best. So we kind of don't wanna put the cart before the horse in those aspects. So things like the cutting edge laser, the underwater treadmill, the dental unit, those tie in together so they can do a therapy session and then a laser session afterwards. So they can get really creative with marketing campaigns on putting all this together in one package and selling packages to a customer, as opposed to doing it just kind of onesie twosie, customers coming in and hoping that they repeat. If we sell a package, we know for sure we're going to get them back in, and we're going to keep them more on par with the program itself, and the animal is going to get the best benefit from that aspect as well. So having staff prepared prior to opening, fully trained on being able to utilize the treadmill, and not just from an equipment specialist like myself that goes over the basics of the functionality of the treadmill and the software itself, but actually certified and trained on therapy, so that we're not just, in a sense, putting animals in a treadmill and hoping for the best and kind of running them through the paces. We actually, there's a lot of thought and science that goes into this that we need to make sure people are trained on how to utilize that properly.